Hello, hello. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. Yes, so today our trading is trading. I'm trading pounds USD today, pounds USD, and then let me see the currency. I'm trading like four different currency. USJPY. Let's see what is happening in USJPY. USJPY, yeah, is a buy. The trading is trading. Then CAD JPY. Let's see what is happening in CAD JPY. The trading is trading is also a buy signal. This is a buy signal. The trading is trading. Oh, so. Let me see what is happening in AUDJPY. AUDJPY, this is Australian dollars, is for a buy signal too. So, before I go further, let me tell you people, what I learn, I'm always learning, as you're trading, you're always learning, you're always seeing new things. I have these rules that when my trade are not fully formed, when I check the chart, it's not fully formed, especially Mondays. Those are the days I experience those things. Maybe my chart is not fully formed, and yesterday, Monday being Monday, I entered trade. I violated my rules, my strategy rules. I have a strategy, and I wait first when my chart is fully formed the way I need to. I see a clear entry. That is when I enter. But yesterday I didn't see anything. Like, I was hoping, all this, and instead of me to put a buy stop, or sell limit, no sell limit, yeah, um all those um criterias, I didn't use it. I went ahead, placed trade, closed my laptop, and went ahead to do what I want to do. When I opened my phone to check my trade, this is what I saw. Bam! You can see I was at lost $7,800, all because I refused to follow my strategy. See the losses. These are careless mistake that I made, violating my strategy, violating my rules. You can all see what happened. See what happened. See, see, and here, look at this gold here. I enter with full force. This one, 5 lots, and I served me breakfast. I got the breakfast very well. See, look at what I got yesterday. All the same, I just told myself, oh, no problem. I just learned something, and I'm gonna come out of it. That was how I say today. I'm gonna go in with full force and recover my losses. Even if I didn't recover today, I know definitely before this week's runs out, I'm gonna recover everything. So this is the lesson I'm here to talk about. Please stick to your strategy, your trading strategy. If you have any strategy, stick to it. Make sure your chart are fully formed. You've seen that entry level first. Before you go in, don't go in. When you go in, you're not sure, you don't have confirmation, and this happened. Bam! So thank you for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, give me a thumbs up, share the video, and I want to know your intake on the comment section. Let me know some of your strategies to trade on Mondays. Do you trade on Monday or you don't? I also tell myself that I don't want to trade Mondays ever again. So I don't know if you have. There are times, yeah, I open the chat, there are signs for me to go in. Why not I go in? But if there is none, I suppose, like yesterday, I supposed to stay away off the market because I've not seen anything clear. But I was stubborn. I forced the trade. It's not good to force the trade. You trade what the market shows you, not what you want the market. No, don't trade what you want the market to show, but you trade what the market gives you. So that is my own lesson I'm here to talk about. Thank you for now. Bye till another time.